Hello students, today in this video I will explain you exercise 5F. So in this exercise you will do the question based on percentage. All of you see question number first. First question, heading is write each of the following as percentage. You have to write in percentage. So what you have to do, see part number first. Question is 6 upon 100. This answer you have to change, this question you have to change in percent. So in order to change into percentage, what you have to do, you have to put here 6 upon 100 multiply 100, then we will put percent sign. So in order to change in percent, what you have to do, you have to multiply with 100. Now this denominator 100 and numerator 100 will get cancelled. So final answer of this question is 6%. So we have changed this question into the percentage. Now see another part number 5th. Fifth part question is 70 ratio 100. Ratio sign is given. So ratio means upon. So first of all you will write in upon form 70 upon 100. Now in order to change into percentage, what you have to do, you have to multiply with 100 and after that you have to put percent sign. Now this numerator 100 and denominator 100 will get cancelled. So final answer of this question is 70%. So like this you have to do all the parts of question number first. Now all of you see question number second. Second question, first part. Heading of the question is convert each of the following percentage into fraction with 100 as the denominator. What is that in the question? You have to change percentage into fraction. Fraction means you have to bring the answer in the upon form and with the denominator 100. 100 कहाँ लाना है आपको? Denominator में लाना है. So first part is 1% is. So in the previous question we had changed into percentage. तो आंसर परसेंटेज में लाने के लिए हमने मल्टीप्लाई 100 किया था. नाउ हेयर ऑलरेडी परसेंटेज साइन इज देयर. नाउ वी हैव टू रिमूव द परसेंट साइन. इन ऑर्डर टू रिमूव द परसेंट साइन व्हाट यू विल डू, you have to divide it with 100. So first of all what you have to do, 1 we have to write and we will divide it with 100 because we are removing percentage sign. Now final answer is 1 upon 100. Only this much you have to do. Now another part you see, sixth part. Sixth part is 87%. In order to remove the percentage sign, you have to divide with 100. We will remove this percent sign and instead of percent sign, we will take upon 100 and this is your final answer. Because in the question he told we have to bring the answer with the denominator 100. Question में बोला है you have to bring the answer with the denominator 100. तो denominator में हमारा क्या आ रहा है? 100 आ रहा है. So like this you have to do all the parts of question number second. Now see question number third. Convert the following percentage into fraction and in their simplest form also. So first part, third question, first part. 50% is. So first of all we have to change into fraction. इसको किस में करना है? Fraction में. So we will remove this percent sign. When we will remove percent sign, answer will be 50 upon 100. Now we have to change in the simplest form also. So we will cut it. 51 ja 50, 52 ja 100. So final answer is 1 upon 2. So like this you have to do part number first. Now third part is 75%. 75%. So here what you have to do, first of all we will remove the percent sign. So this will become 75 upon 100. Now we will cancel these two with a table of 25. 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja 100. So final answer on solving we are getting 3 upon 4. So this is the answer of part number third. Third question, third part. Now see sixth part. Third question, part number 6. What is the question? 200%. 200% question is given. So first of all what we will do, we will remove percent sign. परसेंट हटाकर 200 अपॉन 100 लेंगे, लास्ट 2 0 एंड विल गेट कैंसिल, दोनों की न्यूमरेटर की भी और डिनोमिनेटर की भी लास्ट 0 वी हैड कैंसिल, सो आंसर इज 2 upon 1. So like this you have to do all the parts of question number 3rd. Now see question number 4th question. Fill in the blanks. First part, 13% is equal to dash upon 100. Here we have to fill the answer. What answer will come here? So first of all, what we will do? We will take left hand side. What is given here? Left hand side. Left hand side is 13%. And in the previous question, I explained you when we will remove percent sign, we have to divide with 100. तो हम क्या करेंगे? परसेंट हटा देंगे. Answer will be 13 upon 100. So that means here in the empty place you have to fill 13. So this is the answer of first part. Now see part number 2nd. Second part, 21% is equal to 21 upon dash. So we will take left hand side. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is 21%. And if we will remove this percent sign, then what we have to do? We have to divide this 21 with 100. परसेंट हटाएंगे और क्या करेंगे? 21 डिवाइड बाय 100. सो दैट मीन्स हेयर अंडर द 21 यहाँ पर आपको क्या फिल करना है? 100 फिल करना है. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ सेकेंड पार्ट. नाउ सी अनदर पार्ट. Part number 7th. 7th part is part number 7. Question is dash percent is equal to 69 upon 100. So here you will observe लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वी डोंट नो, वी नो राइट हैंड साइड. तो पहले आप राइट हैंड साइड ही देखेंगे. तो राइट हैंड साइड में 69 डिवाइड बाय 100 हुआ है. व्हाट इज हियर? 69 डिवाइड बाय 100 एंड ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फिल अप इज देयर. सो इन ऑर्डर टू चेंज दिस इन परसेंटेज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? पहले आप राइट हैंड साइड लेंगे. दिस इज द राइट हैंड साइड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट RHS. आंसर आपको किस में लाना है? परसेंट में लाना है. In order to bring the answer into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. और आगे क्या लगा देते हैं? परसेंट साइन लगा देते हैं. Now this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled. तो आंसर आएगा 69%. तो इसको हमने सॉल्व कर लिया और आंसर आ रहा है 69%. So here we have to write 69%. Now see one more part. Part number 11th. 11th part. 4 upon 100 is equal to dash percent. So here left hand side we know. तो आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ही सॉल्व करेंगे. 4 upon 100 गिवन है, बट आंसर जो लाना है राइट हैंड साइड पे वो कैसा लाना है? परसेंटेज में लाना है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू चेंज दिस इन टू परसेंटेज आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 100 से और आगे क्या लगा देंगे? परसेंट साइन. तो परसेंटेज में लाने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई 100 करेंगे. नाउ दिस न्यूमरेटर 100 एंड डिनोमिनेटर 100 विल गेट कैंसिल. सो आंसर आएगा 4%. तो फाइनल आंसर आपका क्या आ गया? 4% आ गया. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर आपको क्या लिखना है? 4%. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू पार्ट नंबर 11. सो नाउ दिस एक्सरसाइज इज ओवर. 5th F exercise. You have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook. And next exercise is the revision exercise. Revision exercise you will get all the questions which you had studied in the previous exercises only. That means this is the revision work. So you have to do this exercise by yourself. In case of any doubt, you can put the comment in the comment box. I will explain those problems in the next video.